Happening today, what's known as America's Night Out Against Crime. Tonight, across our area and across the nation, police departments will work to improve relationships with their communities. News Channel 5's Christina Noche is live in Riviera Beach to explain what exactly they're doing. Hey, Christina.
Hey Ashley, the National Night Out is supposed to be a fun event in an informal setting, a chance for police officers and members of the community to come face to face and have those conversations, tough conversations, even that, maybe about race and policing in the community. Now, of course, across the country, police violence has raised discussions on how to improve the relationships between police and the community. The Riviera Beach Police Department will be meeting with members here at the Wells Recreation Center tonight, determined to bridge the gap in their own community. Now, the National Night Out also an effort to reduce crime and keep drugs out of neighborhoods. So they're also welcoming people with any concerns about that in their neighborhood or on their streets to bring those concerns tonight. This is also supposed to be for the public. So your children invited to come in Riviera Beach from 6 to 10 o'clock tonight. There will also be a National Night Out held in the Stewart area, and Delray Beach Police Department also holding a National Night Out at 6 o'clock tonight. They'll also be having demonstrations from the SWAT team and K-9 units as well. But again, this is supposed to be a really informal way to kind of get both sides together and talk one-on-one. And not only is the community invited, they're really urging you to bring your children as well. Reporting live in Riviera Beach, Christina Noche, WPTV News Channel 5.